So hi guys, today I'm going to teach you how to use AutoPerfect in Touch 4GAMES using Cheat Engine. So first, let's search for Cheat Engine 7.3. Okay. Okay, so let's click so you can choose any of these three. Then we will wait for the countdown so that we can download Cheat Engine. And then after the countdown, you can download the Cheat Engine. So after downloading the Cheat Engine, you can now log into your Touch account. So after you open your Touch account, you can now open Cheat Engine. So as you can see here on the left side, click this file and click Touch. Then change the value type to array of bytes and then copy paste this code to hex, and then after that you paste and then first scan. So after scanning, you can see this on the left side and double click the value, and here the type, you need to change it to 2 bytes and then also change the value to 89. Okay, after that you can now use the AutoPerfect. That's it guys, thank you for watching.